Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated steps on how to mention someone in your WhatsApp status. This is a great way to tag friends or family and make your status more interactive. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access this feature. If you haven't updated recently, head to your App Store and check for updates. Once inside WhatsApp, navigate to the Updates tab. This is where you can view and create statuses. You'll find it at the bottom of your screen if you're using Android or iOS. Now, it's time to create a new status. Tap on the plus icon or your profile picture to start. You can either take a new photo or video or select one from your gallery. If you want to add text or stickers, feel free to customize your status before proceeding. Next, look for the Mention button in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's represented by an @ symbol. Tap on it, and a list of your contacts will appear. Search for the person you want to mention, select their name, and confirm your choice. Finally, once you've finished editing and tagging, post your status by tapping the Send button. The person you mentioned will receive a notification letting them know they've been tagged in your status. And that's it. You've successfully mentioned someone in your WhatsApp status. This feature is perfect for adding a personal touch to your updates or ensuring specific people see them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.